How to tab glitch in Roblox. Now in this very quick video, I'm going to show you how tab glitch works and how you can do that on Roblox. So tab glitch is basically freezing a specific part of your Roblox experience screen. So make sure that you're currently on any kind of experience or any kinds or types of games. So to do that, all I have to do is to hover your mouse into this Roblox icon at the upper left, and you need to make sure first that you're currently on full screen. So to do the tab glitch, all I have to do is to click and hold on this Roblox icon right here. Use the right click and then drag it into the game. So as you can see, the screen is currently freezing, and if you let that off, then it will actually go back to normal. And that's it. That is how you do the tab glitch in Roblox.